how to connect the LCpro T to the OS5p Plus or to the OS1p using the FL Shield Fluorometer adapter. First, open the FL Shield box to find the fluorometer adapter and a small packet of spare screws. The 4 screws in the bag are used with the narrow leaf chamber. In this case, we do not need them and they can be stored in the FL Shield box. If you have a narrow chamber fitted, you can use the hole for the fluorometer probe situated at the very end of the radiation shield, with 4 holes for the screws to hold the probe in place. First, take off the radiation shield, which is fitted to the broadleaf chamber. Position the fluorometer adapter onto the top of the broad chamber. Tighten the 2 screws. Make sure both screws are finger tight. Take your OS5p Plus, or in this example, OS1p. OS5p Plus is supplied with its own leaf clip for taking light adapted fluorescence measurements. This leaf clip is not needed when using OS5p Plus or OS1p with the LCpro T. Insert the power cable to charge the fluorometer and insert the SD card into the slot. If you are using the leaf clip supplied with the fluorometer, it fits into the port labelled accessory here. This is the fibre optic cable and probe. It has 4 connections. The 3 large connections can fit into any of the 3 probe ports in any order. Simply push the probe connector in and twist to make a secure seal into the port. Fit the 3rd connector in the same way, twisting until secure. Now connect the small red cable beneath these 3. Push it all the way into the socket. Now all connections are ready. Once your OS5p is all charged, you can remove the power cable and use the OS5p in the laboratory, greenhouse or field. Take the fibre optic cable and again, if using the leaf clip supplied with the OS5p, loosen the thread and insert the probe into the clip, tightening using the nylon thread. This is now ready to use, but we are not going to be using this leaf clip because the probe instead will fit into the fluorometer adapter on top of the LCpro T chamber. Remove the clip and undo the leaf clip connection at the fluorometer end. This leaf clip can be stored safely back in the fluorometer carrying case. Now to secure the probe into the fluorometer adapter, slide the probe in like so and use the nylon threaded screw to tighten the probe in place. This may be quite stiff and you can use a small screwdriver gently to tighten this fully. Here you can see the probe just held in place above the top window of the broadleaf chamber. And here is the fitted probe and chamber.